Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the comprehensive and conclusive vocabulary sessions with me, Anmol, in association with tutorial. Today we're doing B ka advanced. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Bellicose, Yuddh Priya. The bellicose nation prepared for war. Banal, Samanya. The movie was criticized for its banal plot. Bombastic, Adambarpurn. His bombastic speech impressed no one. Bucolic, Grameen. The bucolic scenery was peaceful and serene. Brobdingnagian, Vishal. The Brobdingnagian statue stood in the center of the park. Blasphemous, Apavitra. The film was criticized for its blasphemous content. Bedlam, Arajakta. The streets were filled with bedlam after the announcements. Bilai, Galat Prastut Karna. His calm demeanor belied his inner anxiety. Bloviate, Badai Karna. He bloviated about his success for hours. Bilk, Thagna. He bilked his clients out of thousands of dollars. Benefactor, Data. The university thanked the benefactor for his generous donation. Beguile, Mohit Karna. She beguiled the audience with her captivating performance. Bludgeon, Akraman Karna. The thief was bludgeoned with a metal rod. Bifurcate, Do bhagon mein baatna. The river bifurcates into two smaller streams. Baroque, the Baroque architecture of the cathedral was breathtaking. क्या मतलब होता है? कला और वास्तुकला में अत्यधिक विस्तृत और अलंकरण पूर्ण. Highly detailed and elaborate, especially in art and architecture. तो बहुत ज्यादा detailed और elaborate मतलब बहुत ज्यादा विस्तृत और अलंकरण पूर्ण. Bibliophile, पुस्तक प्रेमी. He is a bibliophile with a vast collection of rare books. Bamboozle, dhoka dena. He bamboozled her into thinking the deal was a great opportunity. Blasphemy, apavitrata. The teacher was dismissed for committing blasphemy. Bowdlerize, sampadit karna. The book was bowdlerized before being published for children. Bellicosity, yuddh priyata. The politician's bellicosity made it hard for him to work with others. Bombast, adambarpurna bhashan. His speech was full of bombast and lacked substance. Bifurcation, vibhajan. The bifurcation of the river created two distinct channels. Bravado, Badhai. His bravado hid his true feelings of insecurity. Brazen, Nirlaj. She gave a brazen reply to the criticism. Bastion, Killa. The castle was a bastion of defense during the war. Bombinate, Bhin Bhinana. The bees bombinated around the flowers. Blazon, Prachar Karna. The company's achievements were blazoned across the media. Boondoggle, Samay ki barbadi. The construction of the bridge turned out to be a government boondoggle. Brevity, Sankshiptata. The brevity of his speech was appreciated by the audience. Balderdash, Bakwas. Stop talking balderdash and get to the point. Brumal, Sheetkaleen. The brumal winds made it impossible to stay outside. Blanche, Pila Padna. She blanched when she saw the blood. Bifurcate, दो भागों में विभाजित करना. The road bifurcated into two directions. Burgeon, तेजी से बढ़ना. The business began to burgeon after the new investment. Bonhomie, दोस्ताना व्यवहार. The party was filled with bonhomie and laughter. Bilious, पेट से संबंधित. He was in a bilious mood after hearing the bad news. Benign, सौम्य. Tumor was benign and required no treatment. Balaclava, सिर और गर्दन को ढकने वाला कपड़ा. He wore a balaclava to protect himself from the cold. So एक पूरा मास्क होता है जिसमें सिर्फ आंखें दिखाई देती हैं. काले रंग का मास्क होता है पूरा. उसको balaclava, किसी भी रंग का हो सकता है. वैसे balaclava ज्यादातर काला ही होता है. Bonanza, खजाना. The new business venture turned out to be a bonanza for the inventors. Bravura, उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन for the investors. Bravura, उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन. The musician's bravura performance earned him a standing ovation. Broach, विषय प्रस्तुत करना. She was afraid to broach the topic of her promotion at work. Brachiation, हाथों से झूलना. The monkeys used brachiation to move from tree to tree. Bibliography, ग्रंथ सूची. The bibliography at the end of the thesis contained dozens of books and articles. Blasphemy, apavitrata. He was punished for committing blasphemy against religious beliefs. Blazonry, Shahi Pratik Kala. The castle was adorned with blazonry representing the family's noble heritage. Byzantine, Jatil. The bylaws of the organization were so Byzantine that no one could understand them. Bodacious, Advitiye. She gave a bodacious performance that left everyone in awe. Blasphemous, apavitra. The comedian's blasphemous jokes offended many people. Bumptious, ghamandi. His bumptious attitude made it hard for others to work with him. Beseech, vinnati karna. The child besieged his mother for a new toy. That's that for Be Advanced, and I will see you in the next one.